Hey guys, I'm Dylan from Star Wars Prop Shop, and today we're going to be doing a review on the Saberforge Chosen. So let's get into the review. So obviously this is the Saberforge Chosen. It is in the standard finish with the silver and the matte black lines. 12 watt LED. I have gotten it in just normal green with the 4 green dies. This has the Saber Core 3.0 soundboard. And Jake's Saber, his Bastion, is in purple with the weathered finish, and he got it a while, just enough before me that he got the 2.5, so that's a little bit of a bummer. So now we're going to put this back on the stand and just do a quick showcase, I guess, of the blades that I received. So I ordered a green day blade with the thin neck cut. Now, one thing annoying is you can see this line. You can see the dots, and you can see this line right here, kind of. That's where it goes, and then you can see that there's a gap with the film, and it's supposed to be like that, but it's actually up a little bit, so it kind of wiggles a teensy bit when it's in the Saber, which is kind of annoying. And it's very easy to come out. Of course, it's not coming. Oh, okay, there we go. This has the bullet tip sort of design, and then if you look at the normal Infinity Edge blade, it's the right length, everything. It's great. It also has this new, like, slightly rounded tip, so you can kind of see how one's rounded and one's very pointy. I like the day blade better. I wish I could just get the day blade, but like the old Infinity Edge. So now let's also go over some of the quick accessories that I have in my bag it came with. So it didn't come with this bag. I just store this stuff in my bag. So it came with this Allen wrench, which is the right size to do it with. It came with an extra cover tech wheel. I'm not sure why, but it's a different design than the one on here. This is the, like, dot one, and then this is the other one. I kind of like this one, but that one is what I'm gonna stick with for now. And then also it obviously came with the new belt clip, where you just a Saber, put on your belt with the strap right here, and then, oh, are you kidding me? Lock it into place. There we go, god dang it. And then it can swerve around. It's really good and tight in there. Then you just push both sides and pull it straight out. It's a really good. I love this one. All right, so let's go ahead and turn this on. You just push the button. Oh, and then again, this is champion level or tier or whatever the heck you want to call it. I honestly at this point forget the proper name of it, because some people say tier, some people say like rank or whatever. So this is the charging port, obviously, and this is the power button. So right now I have the light side fonts, which are so long story short, I had Heirloom, I had Prodigal Son, and I had Ranger's Blade, and then I basically had to send it back. And when they gave it back to me because my soundboard was bad, that when they replaced it, they also they took out Prodigal Son and included the Master, which I like a lot just as much. I might replace Ranger's Blade with Prodigal Son. I'm not sure. So we have the emitter, obviously, with the foil inside, and then the thin neck portion, and then the grenade. Oh, it's not really grenade section. You could say grenade section or whatever. The lower part, cover tech, and the pommel. I really like this pommel design. This is like my favorite pommel ever. I don't know why. Screws off. Ventilator for sound. There's the speaker. Dang it, turn on. There we go. Alright. So I'm going to turn this on with the lights right here, and then I will put in the blades here, and then we'll go up and turn off the lights. So let's turn this on. This is Heirloom. So as you can see, this is a very bright green. It doesn't show up right. I always knew this, but like, so it looks good right now. It looks a much more teal. It's like a, it honestly kind of looks like what the lime green looks like, and then the lime green looks like even more lime greenish. I think it looks good both ways. Honestly, a good representation to honestly the button looks like. here. Also, I haven't messed with any of the settings, so it is still overlapping with sounds and things. Let's go ahead and get the D-blade and put that in here. Oh. So as you can see, it is right here, just really quick. See how it's on there? But if I turn it upside down, I can shake the stuff down. Now there's like a gap, which is really annoying. But, I mean, that's there. Very bright. It's a little dimmer down here. Also, something I should have mentioned is that this is actually half charged. I haven't charged it in a long time. One helpful thing is deep sleep mode, so that keeps the charge, but still, I haven't charged it in ages. So, there's that. But normally it's still all the way right through. Really good Saber, not saying anything bad, it's just not fully charged. And let's grab this blade and put this in. Alright. So this fits very snugly. This one looks a lot dimmer because also it's like, you know, obviously daytime-ish. It's like 6:30 or so. I don't know. So there's that. And then if I clash... Okay, I'm just going to do blaster flick because it does the same thing. You can see it's a very bright flash on camera, at least. See if the clash... Nope. It flickers. You can see that a little bit. You can see it flickering. And then that's normal. Blaster. Let's see if anything happens if I do the force. Oh, it does flash. Weird. Alright, so just a quick demo on how to do stuff. Obviously, you hold this for 3 seconds. Shuts off. Push it. Does that. You push it once. Blaster. And then you hold it for 2.5 seconds and then press it once for blade lock. That goes on for a while. And then you hold it for 2.5 seconds and then click it twice, and that does the force. Oh, okay. I have to admit, I've never gotten it this well. This is crazy. So if I just shut this off really quick. Once it's off, you can hold it down, and instead of having the menu, the on-board or on-Saber menu, whatever you want to call it, you hold it, and you can switch to the font. So you hold it once, and it goes, and then you can press it to go through them. I'll just do Ranger's Blade, and then you hold it, and it plays the boot up sound, and then the ignition. So as you can see, Ranger's Blade has a very like boom, 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 boom flicker, and then the Master's goes like boom, 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 boom. It's really fast. And then Arrow's just like, okay, I'm gonna not even try that. It's really cringy. Yeah, that's how you use the Saber. Sorry, I hit the camera there. Let's really quickly leave the Master here, I guess. So for some reason, for me, the Master's boot up sound is like, sounds like bass boosted almost. It's really weird. That's the one thing that's messed up, and I'm not really sure what it is. Just listen. Like what? So that was weird. You can even see the flicker going like, well, I got you. I don't know. All this stuff. And now that I guess you've seen this, let's go out in like, yeah. So guys, I just want to do a quick demonstration of how the belt clip works. I can't really zoom this in very well, but basically I have my pants, I'm wearing sweatpants, so it won't work as well. But you get the clip and you just slip it on. Okay, that actually didn't go too well. Or I mean, not that bad. And then you just get the cover check wheel, and you slide it on like that, and it's free to wiggle as you please. That's pulling down my pants. Okay, let's just do this quick. And then you push these, and you can pull it up, do your Saber. Alright guys, so I have the Chosen here with the D blade, and I have the lights still on so that you can see generally what it looks like at daytime, even though, remember, this isn't as bright as it is. This is like about half as bright as it is. It's still pretty bright from like hear down, it's pretty. I mean, it's pretty good all the way through. This is the one thing is that if you get it when it, like, if you keep the settings how they are, the sounds overlap and it's too sensitive. So if I just do like a spin, instead of it going like this, it goes like this. Like, that was a lot. When you can hear all that. Yeah. There, you could hear the sound of the, like, constant spinning thing. Hear that? I hit a light. Alright, guys. I have the normal Infinity Edge blade out. One more time with the lights on. That seems like it has so much dirt on it. This seems like it would be brighter. I can't see, obviously. Sorry about that, guys. I kind of just died inside there. Alright, guys, so now we're in generally pitch black, and you probably can't see me at all. Except for that little blue light over there, probably. Let's do this. Dude, this isn't even fully charged, and this is lighting up the room. Actually, not as much as a while ago. Whatever. This is pretty awesome. Let's see the blaster. Now, what it doesn't do is it doesn't have like a different color flashing class. It overcharges the light for like a split second. Okay. It's kind of hard to see, but it literally just goes. You could probably pause it like right there, right now, now. Like, you know, to see how it's just a lighter color. So it doesn't actually go white, even though it might appear to be white. This is really awesome.
Alright guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. We will soon have a video review of Jake's Saberforge Bastion out soon. And as always, I'm Dylan from Star Wars Prop Shop, and until next time, happy building.